If you own an Apple Watch, perhaps you should look for one of these accessories. Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me MrGim here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys, and this time around is for Apple accessories, and this is from Elago, I hope I pronounced the name correctly. It's a design that looks like an old Apple monitor screen, and it is for your Apple Watch. This accessory actually caught my attention due to I always place my Apple Watch on the table and I feel it's not aesthetically nice, and I understand it is just for charging purposes, but since there are companies that created something like this, so why not just purchase them and make my whole desk setup looks more beautiful. The material is made out of scratch-free silicone to prevent damage to your Apple Watch and prevent it from moving around when resting on the surface itself. This product is simple and elegant to look at. Well, maybe because I like the vintage look of an iMac, so it resembled to me quite a bit. Installing is pretty simple. All you need to do is to take your Apple charger and slide the USB right to the screen. Everything is perfectly cut, so not to worry about extra space here and there. So once the USB is pulled over, when you reach to the very end, your charger head should rest on the screen perfectly. And behind there's this little gap that's for your cable management, and you can place your access cable right underneath the gap so that you can rest this thing on your side table. So the charging port actually rests nicely behind the screen, and right now you see there's no gap or whatsoever. And right now I'm just going to take my Apple Watch and do the quick testing and see whether my Apple Watch does it charge. And I forgot to mention one thing is that you can actually strap it to the screen itself so it doesn't dangle out and looks weird. And voila, here it is, and it charged right away. So look at how beautiful and elegant this is when you place it on your desk while it's still charging. I think it's pretty nice, which I like it a lot. And if you're worried about stretching your Apple Watch, not to worry, it's easy to take it out and it's easy to slide it back on. Now you should wonder whether is this suitable for your Apple Watch. So based on their website, it is actually suitable for all Apple Watch. If let's say you have Apple Watch 1 to series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or even down to the latest iWatch series 7, this should work for you. Alright guys, that is it for my video. If you like this video, make sure you slap a like button, subscribe to be my friend, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye.